comes to quick release, so right now when I got this car, I got this from my friend. A really good deal. He has a steering on it, aftermarket, but this is not a quick release. I want a quick release, so basically what I have is my hub, quick release, and my steering wheel. So I'm running energy hub, energy quick release, and a Vertex steering wheel. So basically what you want to do is, you always want to make sure everything's straight. You take this off by getting an Allen key. So find the size and I'll show you after this is taken off with. So basically what I'm doing right now is you're gonna need an Allen key whenever it comes to quick releases. I'm doing the horn right now. Get to here. That's it for those that have a steering that's already installed. This is a CNC, but you want to remove this bolt. So for those that are wondering what size that bolt is, the bolt size is a 19. So here it is. And for those that are installing your energy hub, see that white dot? That tells you that's the top. So I got the hub on. So now I'm about to do the quick release part. Alright, so for those that are wondering, here's the end product. So the best thing to do when you're doing this is, when you get the quick release together, you always want to make sure your energy's lined up. So energy on top, energy, and when it comes to this, you got the other energy. So your best way to do this is, before you disconnect the quick release from the other half of the quick release, I recommend keeping them together, lining them up. So line up the quick release with the whole quick release setup with the hub, and then install the quick release to the steering wheel first. After that, then disconnect it and install this end, and you'll be able to tell. Look, if you look in here, you can see the ball joints, like the lock ball, whatever. And you just look at the outside, really. So here's 4 on this side, a couple on this side, same thing. Couple on this side, and you're gonna have 4 right here. So that's kind of another way to tell how you know your steering wheel's right. So yeah, I mean, so I lock my steering wheel in.